Mhm.
So now the next tool is red eye tool. J is the shortcut for red eye tool.
Okay.
So basically, when the flash we use for a camera at the night time, so we can see some black reddish shade into the eye position,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So we'll get some kind of red shade into the footage.
Okay.
So this issue comes when we take the snaps into the night time. So that issue we can remove by using the red eye tool. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So for example, so I'm going to download this kid's image. So this is the image which I downloaded and import to Photoshop, drag and drop. So simply you can click with this red eye tool to remove the red position. See this?
Uh-huh. Okay.
So basically what it fills the color in a pupil size with 50%, means for example the darken amount also 50%. So whatever the circle shape is there and whatever the color value is there
Mhm.
at the particular image position, from into that the level of darkness it will adjust as per the 50%. Okay, as per the
Okay.
image quality, automatically will get 50% of darkness.
Okay.
So that is the reason still I can see the eye pupil shape properly, because it is not added completely 100% darken value. It is added some kind of hash gray, something dark gray. Understood?
Okay. Understood.
So basically this tool works at any place where you have red color. Okay. For
Okay.
example, on the tongue and the lips position, we have red shade. So if you click here, here also we will get the red, I mean gray shade. So it removes the red color here also, right? So now how it is working based on the color? See, 50% of red only it is removed, means the surrounding slowly the red color is just converting slowly into the gray shade. It is not completely converted as black or dark
Okay.
gray.
Okay.
So the same again, if you click on the lips position, see, it will find out where it is having the more dark or a bright red. So at those areas, it will work first. And depends on that red shade, how much brighter value it is having. So based on that, it improves the darkness value of the black. Understood?
Okay. Understood.
In a circular manner, it is working again, not in a square or in a another shapes. If
Okay.
if you click on this face position, cheek position, but still it is working at the red position only. See, it is, I have selected here, but it is working at the red. By finding out the red color where it is having more red in the entire face, then there itself it is working.
Okay.
If it is having red here, see, it is working on this cheek position.
Okay.
So this is the option where you can use and you can remove red eye color from your photos, old photos or some other function based. Means in the night shoot only we will get this issue basically in the eye position. So
Okay.
that you can remove.
Okay.
So next is brush tool. Next we have brush tool. Okay,
Okay.
brush tool types are like brush tool, pencil tool, color replacement tool, and mixer brush tool. We have 4 tools in brush options. So now I'm going to use this brush tool.
Okay.
So basically, brush also works with the paint. So you have to definitely create a new layer whenever you want to keep the separation between the background and the painting. Okay.
Okay.
So without selecting any tool, you can draw like this with normal mouse left button. And here we have the number of different brushes like
Okay.
general brushes,
Alright.
dry media brushes,
Mm-hmm.
wet media brushes. Then we have special effects related brushes also. By default, in Photoshop, they added from CC 2016 or 18 onwards.
Mm-hmm.
These all the effects related and other extra brushes.
Mm-hmm.
So the brush, whatever we have seen previously, the same tool, quick selection tool, the same we
Mm-hmm.
have here. So you can also adjust the thickness or a roundness shape of the brush, and you can convert your brush into what um, uh, we call something like when a flat brush kind of thing, flat brush. Okay,
Okay.
flat brush only we can in a font. In a writing skill, we call with some name. I'll 1 second. I'll explain. It is typography.
Mm-hmm.
Typography we call, and we can also call with some other name. So something we can write like this. Okay.
Okay.
So what I wrote is Telugu letter. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
writing in English now. So like this. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
So by changing the brush shape, so you can write in any kind of mode. Means the angle also you can add tilt and you can change the direction.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So here the brush size you can increase or you can decrease. So maximum it shows 5000 pixels of brush size, and you can go with a 3 pixels or 1 pixel of brush size also, very much minimum size. Okay. Then
Okay.
we have smooth softness. Now it is hardness is very 0, so that I can see softness at the edge positions. And there is a hardness also. You can increase the hardness for the brush. See this, now it is having the hardness,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Right.
Calligraphy, we call as calligraphy.
Mm-hmm.
This style of brush we will call calligraphy text.
Mm-hmm.
For artists, basically they write in this direction, in a slanty manner.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is called calligraphy, the
Mm-hmm.
style what we are maintaining, the shapes in a means the if you want to do the painting with the same kind of manner by using the normal brushes in a with watercolor or oil painting or acrylic, then we can use the flat brush to create this kind of calligraphy text. Okay.
Okay.
So if you convert this into again circular, you will get a circular shape, characters or letters or whatever you want, you can create.
Okay.
So understood?
Mm-hmm.
Understood?
Yes.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So coming to the next point here, to if you want to download some of the brushes, then you can use this option and you can load whatever the brushes you are downloaded, get more brushes option.
Uh-huh.
So you can download brushes from Google, okay, from some
Mm-hmm.
of the websites like Photoshop brushes. So from that you can download whatever the like detail brushes you want, like clouds, butterflies, smoke effects. Okay.
Okay.
Water
Okay.
paint brushes or leaves or flowers, some other
Mm-hmm.
designs and all, bomb blast effects, some kind of graffiti title text related and the glow effect related lighting effects. Every
Mm-hmm.
brush you can download, and after downloading you have to load from here by means you have to store all those brushes into basically where into the C drive
Mm-hmm.
brushes position. In the
Mm-hmm.
C drive in a brushes position, you have to store all those brushes. Okay. And
Okay.
you can select from here load brushes or new brushes group. Okay.
Okay.
So you can add a group also, and you can add all downloaded brushes into that particular group.
Okay.
So now
Are
coming
you
to the, yeah,
are you sick?
sorry,
Do you have a fever?
you are having fever.
No, do you?
No, no, I'm not having any fever. I'm having little cold.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay. Now see this. We have here basic brushes, general brushes. In
Mm-hmm.
that, we have without adjusting all these options. If you want to continue by selecting these down brushes like soft brush, hard brush, automatically it changes the value, size as well as the hardness. Can you see this?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
See, automatically the hardness is updating.
Mhm.
So now I'm going with the soft brush. Whatever color you choose in the foreground, that you can paint here. And what shape means what kind of brush you want, like a round brush only with hardness. See, now I got
Mhm.
the hardness.
Okay.
See here, one more thing I want to show you. See, there is a soft round pressure size. Can you see this?
Yeah.
See, but first two brushes are not having any pressure size, pressure opacity, right?
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
is soft round normal. This is hard round normal. And these
Mhm.
two are the soft round pressure size, hard round pressure size.
Mhm.
What is that mean? I'll show you. Basically, in Photoshop, we can connect brush with the pen tool. So this is the pen tool here, what I am using right now. Can you see this? How to draw and how it is creating the form of shape
Mhm.
in the video. It is playing the video. See, at the
Yeah.
tool
Yeah.
position. So how he is creating, you can see, right?
Mhm.
Excuse me. So here I'm using another point and I'm dragging the tangents. These two are called tangents, where I
Mhm.
can see point uh, before the point and after the point we have two small circles, right?
Yeah.
So these are called intangent. Before point whatever is there, that is intangent. After the point we have out tangent.
Uh-huh.
So depends on the direction of the tangent, it will justifies the shape of the curve, shape of the path.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this curve we can call curve or we can call path, pen tool path, PATH
Mhm.
path. Okay.
Mhm. Okay.
So after drawing this path, if you want to, if you want to join this particular brush, means what brush I am selecting is soft round pressure size. So I
Okay.
selected is soft round pressure size. Okay.
Okay.
This brush will affect by pressure size. Okay. This
Okay.
soft round brush, it will affect by pressure size. So
Okay.
how it will affect, I'll show you. Basically, that brush I want to connect with the path.
Mhm.
So how to connect with path, I'll show you now. So just already we are selected the brush, what kind of brush I want and what size it should be. See, this is the 75 pixel size. I have the brush right now.
Mhm.
So now I'm going to use pen tool. Okay.
Okay.
So this pen tool, I'm right clicking on the path. I'm selecting with the right pen tool only and with the help of right click. Okay.
Mhm.
I
Okay.
selected pen tool, then right click
Mhm.
on the path.
Mhm.
So you can see here multiple options, right?
Mhm.
There is anchor point, create vector mask, delete path, define custom shape, make selection, new guides from shape, flip path, means you can also flip the path direction horizontally or vertically.
Okay.
So now we have the next option is called stroke path.
Mhm.
Means on the path we can add stroke. Understood?
Understood.
On the path position we can create a stroke.
Okay.
So that stroke should create by using the foreground color whatever is there and brush shape. Okay. Brush shape what
Mhm.
we selected.
Mhm.
So now I'm going with the stroke path. In the stroke path, what tool you want to connect with the path, that you have to show.
Um.
Clear now? Understood?
Clear.
Yes. Now the brush, whatever the size, brush size I selected 75 pixel size with the soft pressure size. You know that, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to show the brush the brush tool should work with the path I'm saying. Okay. Stroke
Okay.
path should create by using brush tool, and it should simulate pressure. It should work.
Okay.
What is the help of this simulate pressure means? Whatever the brush I selected, it is already by default I selected simulate brush size, I mean round brush, pressure size. So pressure size will apply where the brush is started and where it is ending, the path. Okay.
Okay.
See, path point is starting from here and it is ending at this place. So these two positions, the brush size will also reduce.
Okay.
The brush size, whenever it is reducing, automatically the stroke comes very thin at the starting and ending positions. Middle, you will get the 75 pixel size exactly.
Okay.
Are you getting my point? See, I'm clicking on OK button. See this? Understood?
Understood.
The starting and ending positions, we got the very thin shape because the brush is affecting by the simulate pressure size, whatever I selected.
Okay.
I'm going to explain the same again, then you will understand very clearly. So this pen tool again, just click outside and draw another shape. So just like a lamp or a small flame.
Okay.
So I have done this shape. Can you see this very clearly?
Yeah.
So now the brush is already there in selection. Previously, we have made the soft round pressure size with the 75 pixels with the zero hardness, right?
Yeah.
Now it should work with this pen tool path. So go to pen tool, right click on the path position. Now here it is not showing stroke path option, right? Is it showing or not?
Stroke path.
It is not showing. It is not there in the
Showing.
active.
Yeah.
It is deactivated because the path is not there in selection. So do one thing. With the path, just right click exactly. It is still not there in selection. So do one thing. Just click on these down arrows. This is the path selection tool. Path selection tool. Down of the text after text tool, we have the path selection tool.
Okay.
So with this, you have to select. Then you can go with the pen tool. Right click. Still, it is not showing. Why? Because in the same layer, I already created one of the path and I added the brush stroke, right?
Yeah.
So might be because of that reason, we are unable to activate this stroke path option. So see this? Yeah, now it is activated in the same layer. I think pen tool is, pen tool also now it is working. See, it should be in the selection properly. It should be in the selection. So you have to use path selection and activate this. Then you can, by using the path selection itself, you can right click and stroke subpath is active, right? Or else with the pen tool also, you can do the same process. When it is active, now it is showing stroke subpath.
Okay.
So I thought it is not showing previously because of the same layer. That's why I want to create a new layer. But in the same layer, now it is activated. Okay.
Okay.
So now I'm using stroke subpath. Click on the stroke subpath. Clear?
Clear.
Can you hear my voice?
Yeah. I can hear your voice.
Sorry?
Hello?
Yeah.
I can hear your voice.
Okay. So now the brush is already selected, simulate pressure also selected, and click on OK. It is done.
Okay.
So with multiple pen tool path options, you can connect multiple times brush. Okay. And you can create some kind of designs. These kind of designs. Understood?
Understood.
Excuse me. So for example, now I'm going to create small design with a new file. So with pen tool means you can get more practical knowledge by showing this. That's why I'm repeating the same.
Okay.
Say I'm going to start from here and I'm adding different shape of the design.
Mm-hmm.
Now brush I'm going to change to hard pressure size
Okay.
with a little bit of small size.
Okay.
See this, now I got for outer pen tool path only the red color one.
Okay.
For inside I want to get yellowish one.
Mm-hmm.
And again with the path stroke, path selection, select the middle shape. Then with the same tool, you can right click and add substroke path with yellow color. It will add now. See this? Once it is done, you can create a flower with this. So how to create flower, I'll show you.
Okay.
Now I have only one petal, right?
Mm-hmm.
This petal I can do Control T for free transform
Mm-hmm.
and scale the size. So you no need to keep the paths now because I already got the color, right? A path I don't want. So to remove the path, go with the pen tool or a path selection tool. You can right click on it and you can delete path. Is it deleted path?
Yeah.
So now,
Deleted?
yes, it is deleted. By right clicking, just click on delete path. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have only the layer one with color petals.
Mm-hmm.
Clear?
Clear.
Now Control T for free transform. Press Alt, hold the Alt and scale little bit. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
After scaling, once press Enter. Press Control J for duplicate. Okay, Chetan.
Okay.
I selected Control J
J.
after
Okay.
scaling.
Mm-hmm.
So this one I want to get multiple number of petals in a rounded manner, circular manner.
Okay.
To get that, Control T again, free transform tool. So press Alt and keep this. See, can you see the arrow position, one of the target symbol at down?
Mm-hmm.
After pressing Alt, it is showing arrow, and down there is a small target symbol, plus symbol. Can you see that?
Yes.
So now
Mm.
this particular
Yes.
position you have to click at the down of this place and move to the this ending where you can see the last point. Just leave at this place. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Drag
Okay.
drag and leave your mouse cursor with the help of Alt and click here. Then move to this position. Just do manually. You can't see any symbol there. Just you will
Mm-hmm.
see the arrow plus and one of the target symbol.
Okay.
That you have to drag up to this corner, middle of the petal, means and start position of the petal. Sorry.
Okay.
So once you have done, you can rotate from here. So your pivot center point will work out from the this center position,
Mm-hmm.
center of the document,
Mm-hmm.
or where you are placed your center pivot. Center pivot means the position, it will rotate from here.
Mm-hmm.
So once it is done, enter again after rotating some of the value. Now go with Control Shift Alt. You have to hold all. Control Shift Alt. Okay. And
Okay.
press T continuously. T for time. Press T continuously.
Okay.
How many duplicates you want? Based on that, you have to press T repeatedly.
Okay.
Control Shift Alt you have to hold and press T number of times.
Okay.
So first of all, we added the duplicate. See, this is my original file layer. Control J I have done. Clear.
Here.
Control T I have done. Then
Okay.
hold the Alt. Then change the pivot. It won't show any center pivot in the 2021 version of Photoshop, but you have
Mm-hmm.
to manually drag with the mouse left button by holding Alt and mouse left button
Okay.
to this corner. Okay.
Okay.
So now leave the Alt, then rotate this. How much you want to rotate?
Okay.
From the other point position, you have to rotate.
Okay.
Once the rotation is done, press enter.
Okay.
After enter, Control Shift Alt, then hold the Control Shift Alt, then press T repeatedly.
Okay.
How many copies you want? Those many times you have to press T repeatedly. Control Shift Alt
Okay.
you have to hold. Have you understood?
Yes.
So this is the way you can create a designs, multiple designs, whatever the shapes you have prepared with the help of brush and pen tool.
Okay.
So this is what a basic class for brush and how to use the pressure size option. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In
Okay.
next class, we will continue more about the brush options. Okay.
Okay.
I have,
Also, also happy Independence Day.
yeah. Thank you. Same to you. Happy Independence Day.
Yeah. Thank you.
Uh, so we are going to work out with multiple brushes, and we are going to design a different designs also. And we can also use the brushes for digital painting. Okay.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
we will discuss in the next session, and coming 1 or 2 more sessions, we will go with only brush options, and we'll also complete the digital painting, some of the digital paintings. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then bye.
Bye.